Guru Nation, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. Look, one of the things I wanted to discuss at Save Our Sites conference that we just didn't have enough time for because it's a one-day event was the specific way that I recruit patients at my site, Yuma Clinical Trials. And it's not really even recruiting. It's branding our site, building a brand in the community. And it's a very unconventional way to do things, and it's already started paying off. I had a theory this would work because this is how I've built my channel, my own channel, Dan Sfera, the one that you're watching this on. Unconventional. Like, it doesn't make sense until it makes sense. So we have a YouTube channel, Yuma Clinical Trials. We also have an Instagram, Yuma Clinical Trials. Every month, I invest in a professional videographer. Is the same one that was at SOS. So I pay him around $1,000 a month, and he and his team film one long form interview where we interview at Yuma Clinical Trials a community, someone in the community, someone doing something interesting in the community that we want to feature. It may be a business owner. This last month, it was a nail salon, Yuma's best nail salon person, Jenny, which did surprisingly well. Now, our YouTube channel, as of this video, it's only a couple months old. It's not impressive at all. It's 15 subscribers. We don't get that many views. But our Instagram, we get on some of the reels that we do. So we film a long form content, like 30 minutes, where we sit down, professionally edited, with a business owner or someone in the community. And one of our staff, either myself or one of our 5 other coordinators, or our sub-investigator, Jaime Valles, will interview. Sometimes it's multiple people interviewing the business person. That's about a 30-minute, I call it a pillar piece of content. We do that every month. Included in the fee of around $1,000. Prices may vary in your area. Included in that fee is a weekly short. So it's a 1 minute or less clip, professionally done, specifically for Instagram Reels or YouTube Reels. So we've been uploading the pillar piece of content every month on YouTube. And then every week, I take one of the shorts that I'm given. I get 4 shorts for every pillar piece of content. And I spread them out. Once a week, I post it on Instagram. And the results have been amazing. I mean, our Instagram, like I said, our YouTube, not that impressive yet. That's a long-term commitment. But the Instagram, we've been getting people like thousands of views on some of these reels on videos that you would not expect to do well. Like, I didn't expect a nail salon person to do so well, but guess what? I didn't expect it because that's not my demo. Like, I don't care about getting my nails done, but a lot of people in Yuma care about that stuff. And we've gotten patients who have reached out for some of our studies that didn't watch and didn't even know we existed. I had one particular example of a patient that we've been texting through our lead generator, Patient Ace. If you're interested in that, let me know. She said, "Hey, this sounds too good to be true. Can you send me some proof that this is not a scam?" I sent her our Instagram Reels. Like, here's a link to our Instagram. We interview community people in the area. No con artist is going to do that. No con artist is going to spend money to produce well-produced content. And here's our long-form YouTube channel links where we interview podcast people from the community. And by the way, this nail person that we partner with, she's our neighbor in our building. Everyone that finishes this study, we have a discount with the nail person. We actually pay for the people to get their nails done there. And this patient said, "Wow, okay." It totally reduced their fear of us being a scam just because we've produced this content. Another example is Inada, where we get studies. It's one of the sponsors on this channel. They started asking for proof. Show us proof within your social media, within your site social media, of how you do outreach to target minorities. 3 out of the 4 podcasts we did were minority-owned businesses. So we sent them the links to those, and they've been impressed. Like they said, no site has done this. Another sponsor, a major sponsor, said, hey, we need community outreach. What do you guys do that's different? We're willing to give you an extra budget. I got $10,000 extra dollars just because I put together, and shout out to Judy Galindo who helped me with this. I put together a recruitment proposal that included these podcasts and these pillar pieces and the Instagram shorts and all this stuff. Sponsor loved it. Within 3 days approved our budget, and then I invoiced for it and we got paid. So this stuff is unconventional, but it works. And the reason it works is because it's unconventional. Now in these videos, we don't even talk about clinical research. We're sitting down, like in the case of the burger theory, where we interviewed one of the best burger places in Yuma. Me and Katie, who's the lead CRC, sat down with the manager, and we discussed just what it's like running that business, hiring, preparing the food, meeting customers. The only part about Yuma Clinical Trials was our shirt. We had the logo. And at the beginning and the end, we had a call to action. Hey, we're Yuma Clinical Trials. If you're interested in these kind of studies, these are the kind of studies we're doing right now. Call or text right here. Same thing underneath the video. We have a link to our website. That's it. It's not spam. It's not promotional. It's not a commercial. We're giving the community content that they would want to watch. Nobody wants to watch a commercial about your site, as cool as you are. So yes, this does take a commitment. It's unconventional. I have all my coordinators help out. Like the nail salon owner, I had no business being in that interview. I would have just asked business questions, but they asked questions about nails. They asked questions that the customers did. Matter of fact, our coordinator was getting her nails done while they were doing the podcast. Shout out to Lana Stevens, our coordinator, and shout out to Jenny, who's the nail salon owner. You can go see that. I'll put a link to our Yuma Clinical Trials YouTube channel underneath. Again, our views there are not that impressive. And people might say, oh, you're wasting money. Why are you doing that? You only have 15 subscribers as of the time of this video on your YouTube channel. Well, it doesn't matter. Sponsors are seeing it. Patients are seeing it. Inato is seeing it. And at the end of the day, we're doing something good for the community, and we're doing something different. And I really think every site could be doing something like this. I think this is the new way to advertise. I think this is the new way to build your brand. It's a year. Give it a year. We've only done like 4 pieces of pillar content, so we've only really done 4 months. Give it a year and see what kind of returns you get. And if you're paying $1,000 a month for this service, it's gonna pay off. Like that $10,000 that we received, that was unexpected, but we received that. That actually paid for 10 months of this thing. And it gave the sponsor what they want. They got more minority patients in their particular study. So that's how this is. That's what I do. Go check it out. Link underneath. I know most people watching are going to say, that's cool. I'm going to eventually do that, and not do it. Just do it, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Let me know what you think. Bye-bye.